Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 20th of February. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Well, let's have a look. Not a lot of movement since yesterday. As I said, we've got this 3-day bearish window in equities, which so far isn't delivering much on equities, and it hasn't delivered much on crypto either. In terms of the daily chart, we can get some nice buy signals brewing if we can see a retest of this low. And this kind of looks like a bearish consolidation, so I would be expecting to see a retest of the low. In terms of what happened yesterday, it wasn't a lot. There was an interesting question raised yesterday about, could this be a bullish triangle? I don't think so, but possibly, and it doesn't fit with what we're seeing on the other two. All right, looking at Solana, again, not much happened yesterday. We're getting pretty close to the daily middle band, and actually, let's just check that on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, daily middle band, which has been dropping very rapidly, has basically dropped to the level where price is, or pretty close to it. Solana, it's almost dropped to the point where Solana is at the moment, but not quite there. That's an obvious resistance level at 86.95. In terms of the 60-minute chart, no current divergence. And in terms of the short-term move, we saw basically a break. Sorry, we saw a break below a trend line here. I think I marked that in. Yeah, okay. This is what I had marked in as the provisional flag. So this is a breakdown. Quite often you'd see a higher retest at this point, of course, and then down. But this does look like a flag which is breaking down at the moment. So we'll see. Looking at Ethereum. Ethereum, again, not much action yesterday. Again, as with the other two, we can set up some nice buy signals if we can see a retest of the low. On the hourly chart, nothing happening. In terms of the short, is this a flag breaking down? Yes, it kind of looks like it. But again, could we set up a double top by retesting the high? Maybe, but we're not seeing a lot of action. We haven't seen a lot of action for a while. If we are going to see a retest of the low, it's probably going to be in the context of some sort of a breakdown on equities. Hey, Doug. And we're not seeing that breakdown yet. It may be that will start. So we shall see how that goes. Hey, Doug, do you want me to recap? Won't take long. Basically, very little has changed since yesterday. It does look like we've got clear flags breaking down on both Ethereum and Solana. But at the moment, we might see high retests for the rally highs. After that, setting up patterns to go lower. But two, obviously, it's not involved much of a move so far. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Well, Monday, rather. Everyone have a great weekend.